Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give complete explanation about multiple job opportunities from all over India, how to apply and hackathon. This kind of rules I am going to give explanation. So watch the video till end. If you are not subscribed, just subscribe and like my channel. So you should spend 1 or 2 minutes in our channel. You may get one IT job. So we will go to the page. First one going to be an software development engineering test for freshers from all over India. The education qualification will be bachelor in computer engineering. They mention related fields, so all department can apply for this role if you have done any certification in coding, data structure, algorithm, C, Python, Java. So you should be very proficiency in any one languages in coding. That will be helpful for you to get shortlisted your resume to send the exam link. They won't charge any amount, guys. Now they are preferring only in this domain called programming language in Java. So if you are not studied, you can apply it. After 2 hours also you can study Java and you can start write the exam. So this is what completely for freshers. The electronic city is Bangalore, one of the developed state in India. That is going to be electronic cities in Bangalore. So you're going to work there. This is one role, and another one will be an tech ops associative role from all over India. This is what they're from engineering with 0 to 3 years of experience. And SQL is main. So all IT students should know SQL and MS Office and Excel. This all the 3 skills should be mandatory, and the main thing for every IT company should be communication should be there. So this is what they mentioned here as an eligible criteria, role, responsibilities. So just want to close here. I'm going to give how to apply. What are the things you should fill out here? Going to be an find the job, just give Amazon campus or just give social media advance or anything and your name. This all the star things which they mention. No, you should fill this. Without filling the star things, you cannot submit your application. Alternate mobile number, everything will be disability. You just want to give I have no disability like this. You just want to give phone number, address, pin code, education, qualification, experience, notice period, can join immediately. You just want to give the salary expected 0. Just give it. Any backlog in the sense, few candidates don't know what is meant by backlog. Backlog is an arrear. Arrear is going to be an backlog. So they will mention no. You just want to give as per the business time. Yes, this is all the main thing. You just want to fill it. And PAN number, keep it with your Aadhaar number, and employed ID if you just mention photo, resume. And by clicking all this, just want to click here. So after clicking all the things, just submit it. For every applied portal, you just want to fill the same thing. For applied scientist intern also, you just want to fill it like same by only. So Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, this all the 3 locations they can mention here. So just mention from all branches they mention here itself, guys. PhD, bachelor in engineering, all department, data science or related fields, working in C, C++, Java or Python, Rub, all kind of role they mention. All kind of education department can apply for this role. The next one going to be hackathon for Amazon Alexa SD hiring role for freshers. You are going to write the test. They are going to start at here. So this is what the hackathon drive. So you can start apply here. And this is what the main page of Amazon. You can find multiple job opportunities for student as well as freshers as well as developer and service and IT based. This is, you just want to click here or put link in the description. Which kind of role you are preferring, you can search it here itself, guys. You just want to give out here and find all your jobs from full-time, part-time, just by clicking this. And which department you are from, you just want to click here India. In India, which state you are preferring, Karnataka or Telangana or Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, all kind of role you can apply here, and all kind of job you can search it here itself, guys. So this is what they from Amazon, multiple job opportunities. If you have any doubt, comment me. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you subscribe, you may get more update from my channel. Thanks for watching this, guys.